Hi, I'm Habib from Caratron Trading. We do car accessories, multimedia system, and today I want to show you for the keyless entry we fix for the Nissan Patrol we take, and I will show you how it's work and what's the features there. You can see it. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, see, this is door is unlocked, it's open. Okay, the key I put in the key in my pocket and I walk from the cars. Okay, and you see the indicators when I'm 4 now. Car doors is locked. Okay, I don't have key with me in my pockets. Okay, see doors, all doors manual is finished. Alas, don't worry about the security and anything. And now I put the key back in my pocket. I'm walking to the car. This door is locked, unlocked. Alas, just you drive. This is the design is for the Nissan. There is also the key. It has for the manual. It's optional. Okay, you can make it from your original. For the any necessary battery low or no battery power. Okay, you can use it for the unlock the door only. Okay, I want to see you how you can start the car from the button. Okay, this is the 3 buttons. Okay, one is lock, unlock, and this is for the sound. Okay, just you press 3 times. See the indicators, and then I want to turn off the car. Just one press. Alas, car is off now. Okay, the last one. Okay, I want you to how this is start from this is a button which you fix. Okay, for pushing start. Just you pushing the brake, hold the brake, and this is press the button. Yalla, alas. When is you press brake? Okay, door will be locked automatically. Okay, you can get off the car. Okay, to push the brake and just turn off the engine. Alas. So this is the one features of our push start button, and it can fix for the most cars except some models. If you want to upgrade your cars, please feel free to visit Caratron Trading or visit our online store at CARONIC.com. Thank you very much.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video.